If you noticed here, 20 million active users, they did post about it. A new peak has been reached. Okay, so if I going to inside of the coin, here you will see the simple interface. Everything starts from dot and more than just a game, all sort of thing. So it is kind of like bot. If you already knows about hamster, if you already knows about coin, if you already knows about other step to earn stuff, this is same like those. Okay, so you can earn money just doing taps, and after certain time later they will give you a eligibility or connection option with your wallet. Okay, so already coin give you connect options. You can go into your .com Telegram mini apps, and you can immediately connect your Venom wallet or others wallet. So what will be happened at that time, after they are ending the tap to earn season, they will transfer your point into your Tone wallet or Venom wallet or other wallet you will be connected. So here is the this simple strategy that I'm going to show you. It's just connect wallet immediately, and after certain time later you will be notified by your transfer your token into your Tone wallet or whatever wallet you are connecting. So this was the update. So how do you connect? Just go to your bot. Maybe you already did it, or if you don't do it, just come into the Twitter and search dot, and here is you are seeing inside of their bio telegram.coin bot. So check out which bot you are going to use, because there's a lot of scammy stuff. So therefore check out their verify option here, as well as .com, their follower, this stuff. Before going to do this stuff, first you need to check out where you are going to do. Okay, because there's a lot of scammy stuff has. So first you need to check it inside of the Twitter search .coin, and here is you will see there the .coin username. Just search by this, or just search by just .coin, you will find them, you will find out them. So this was the strategy, and I'm not able to show you how to connect, because here is a network problem. I'm just showing you how do you do it, okay, in a talking way. So maybe very soon I'm going to show you visually everything, every airdrop testnet. So until that, okay, be happy and do the task that according to my talking. Okay, so very soon maybe I'm going to meet with you inside of my telegram channel. So if you don't yet join telegram, check out this video description box. You will immediately be join with us inside of the telegram.